Tanang anggulo ang giisudyuhan karon sa otoridad kay matud pa dili away sa pamilya o away sa politika ang gipunting nga motibo sa pag-ambush sa convoy ni Lanao del Sur Governor Mamintal Adiong Jr. niadtong Biyernes bandang alas 4 sa hapon didto sa barangay Dilimbayan sa lungsod sa Maging, Lanao del Sur. Luwas si Governor Adiong ug ang iyang staff nga si Ali Macapado, apan namatay ang upat niini ka bodyguards nga giilang sila si Staff Sergeant Muhammad Juray Mipanga Adiong, 40 anyos. Police Corporal Johanny Lawi Sumandar, 39 anyos. Police Corporal Jalil Ampuan Kusain, 40 anyos. Ug ang driver nga giila nga usa ka Kobe. Sakay si Governor Adiong sa iyang pickup ug nagsunod ang duha pa ka escorts niini sa dihang nahitabo ang pagpangambush. Paingon ang gobernador sa Wao aron motambong sa anibersaryo sa lungsod. Apan, kapin alas 4 sa hapon niadtong Biyernes sa dihang nahitabo ang insidente. Sa usa ka press conference niadtong Sabado sa hapon, gisaysay ni Lanao del Sur League of Municipal Mayors President ug Butig Mayor Dimnatang Pansar.
First of all, the municipal mayors of the province of Lanao del Sur is strongly condemned in all strongest terms the ambush against our beloved provincial governor, his staff and detailed scores. This attack is not only against us, but it travesty on the morals of the good people of the province of Lanao del Sur. So that we seek the support and cooperation of all stakeholders, including the leadership of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, the civilian authority in the area, the civilian themselves, law enforcement agencies, in pursuit of incredible information and justice to our people and the victims. Alam po natin na there are several people na namatay as a result of the incident yesterday. We call upon the national government to immediately convene the peace mechanism composed of the armed forces of the Philippines and members of the MILF to help in the identification and ultimate arrest of the perpetrators and achieve justice for all the victims and their family. We call on the families of the perpetrators to show their sincerity in the call for justice or surrendering to the authorities the relatives involved in this dastardly act. We join the family of the Governor and the slain victims in demanding justice. We are also one in confronting this incident. We ask our people to join us in seeking efficient and immediate solution to the incident yesterday involving the ambush. We are referring to the ambush of the provincial governor and his company.
Sumala usab ni Congressman Zia Adiong ang igsuon sa gobernador.
I think we do not discount any possible motives here. No, the investigation is still ongoing, and we want to look at all angles possible. So we are not discounting anything at this moment. We're just waiting for the investigation. Anything is possible. But what I can respond to that, what I can tell you, is that the indication that the governor was riding in non-bulletproof vehicle is an indication and a proof that we don't have any rido. He's comfortable moving around the province. No, that's an indication that he felt that he did not need to augment his security measures whenever he goes around the province. No, the location where the ambush happened is actually the usual route na dinadaanan ng governor, and that's the fastest route. If you're traveling from Marawi going to Davao or to Bukidnon, it would reduce your travel time to about 2 hours or 2 to 3 hours, and perhaps that's the reason why the governor feels comfortable, because that's his usual route. Kasi wala ka talaga siyang kaaway sa politika. No? So as the brother of the governor, what I can tell you right now is we are waiting for the result of the investigation, but we do not want to leave any stone unturned. That's precisely why we're seeking this justice for the victims, and we are open to any possible result of the investigation, and we do not discount any possible motives. We are looking at all angles here.
Gitambungan ng press conference ni Bangsamoro Autonomous Region for Muslim Mindanao Interior and Local Government Minister na Gib Sinarimbo ug didto iyang gibutyag nga aduna na sila'y napulo kasuspitsyadong tao nga posibleng naghimo sa salaod ug ilan nang gipangitaan og paagi nga mo surrender na kini sa otoridad. Una nang gikunina ni Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao Interim Chief Minister Ahod Balawag Murad Ibrahim ang panghitabo nga matud niini usa ka lihok sa mga talawan. Gimando ana usab ni Chief Minister Murad ang mga miyembro sa Moro Islamic Liberation Front nga tabangan ang otoridad sa imbestigasyon ug aron madakpa na ang mga suspitsadong mi-ambush sa grupo ni Lanao del Sur Governor Mamintal Adiong Jr. Nang hinaot ang katawhan sa Bangsamoro Region nga unta madakpa na ang mga suspitsado aron mahatagan og hustisya ang kamatayon sa mga bodyguards ni Governor Adiong ug mahatagan og kalinaw ang mga panghitabo. Edith Kaduayan, Newsline Philippines. Stay safe!